David, you have taught us how to set goals, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound goals. So, and I still remember the work-life balance that you had drawn as a diagram on the whiteboard, where you would say, like what is the time that you allocate for work, family, then spiritual, recreation. So, what is the type of balance that you have?
Mr. Nayar's coaching is based on one fundamental principle, which is one needs to be happy to be effective or successful at work, which are his family, work, personal development, and spiritual. Mr. Nayar was able to positively influence my relationship with my spouse, my children, and my colleagues.
There are times in life that you hit a little wall. Your mind starts sinking down a well, and it just keeps going down. There's no recovery to it, and it's literally dark. And David introduced me to the concept of me time and affirmations. Initially I thought, how would this help? But then it was just a 20-minute exercise. I thought I should give it a try, and I did so. The results were remarkable. I should say my focus started coming back, my concentration started improving, I was having positive thoughts, and I could see life coming back.
Things that he made changes in my daily routine, which has actually increased my productivity, and it has also helped in my personal life, to give more time to the family. And overall, I think it has really redefined the way I looked at life, both personal and professional.
You will love it. And with the CTF, I want to impact people's life. I want to help people, help them through their transformation, because I strongly believe that if you know who you are, nothing can hold you back from achieving your dreams or doing what you want to, and you will be happy forever. Believe me guys, it's an awesome course, and David's a yes.
Ultimate support. He has taken his time out to explain in detail, giving me a broader perspective. At times he has coached me to gain that kind of clarity which will help me sail through the program. Last 2 months I haven't seen him in Chennai, but last time when I saw him I was so excited, and the wisdom he shared at 2 hours of time compensated for his absence for last 3 months or so.
The message that he passes on every single time gives a new confidence, gives new hopes, and gives new ideas for your own self. So it actually helped me so much. He had been more than a mentor, more than a super coach for me. And of course, his concept of DMP, which is definite major purpose, I do apply every single day in my life.
His passion for training is unbelievable, because he resides in Australia and he comes only for training program to India. So, and he also has a statement of purpose that he wants to do a mindset change for 1 million or billion people. That's the SOP of David.
This to reach out to as many people here in India and make them better people, better professionals.
The learnings from Mr. Nayar are lifelong, and I consider myself fortunate to be part of this program.
Sushma and I, we will always be grateful to you, and we owe a lot of what we do today to you. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate what you have done.
So all the best, David, for your next public workshop. We will rock together. Thank you.
All the best, David, and thank you for a wonderful association with me as well.
And I thank you, David, for the effort that you have put in. I look forward to your support in the future as I grow and as I move on my journey.
And I personally want to thank David for the support that I received in life. Thank you.
It is really great knowing David Nayar. I'm so lucky, I'm so glad. I really have the gratitude to have known David Nayar in my life.